Hello students, कैसे हैं आप? Today we will discuss another program which performs the operations on list. So this is your program to find the maximum, minimum and mean value from the inputted list. In this we require three variables. First one is list1 which is used to create a list. Next one is n जो हमें बताएगा कि कितने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आप लिस्ट में इनपुट करेंगे. एंड थर्ड वन इज x जो आपका एक एलिमेंट होगा जो लिस्ट के अंदर ऐड होगा. इसके अलावा इस प्रोग्राम में वी विल यूज 4 टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट वन इज मैक्स टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द लिस्ट. सेकेंड वन इज मिन जो मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करेगा. सम टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द लिस्ट. सारे के सारे एलिमेंट्स का सम ये हमें प्रोवाइड करवाएगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज लेन जो हमें बताएगा कि लिस्ट के अंदर टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कितने अवेलेबल हैं. दिस इज योर प्रोग्राम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव क्रिएटेड एन एम्प्टी लिस्ट with list1 variable. As you all know, the list is declared with the help of square bracket. So we have declared a list. Then we have declared a variable n that is of integer type int. Enter the number of elements in the list. एक लिस्ट में कितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो हम n में इनपुट करवाएंगे. Then I is a loop variable which is used to run the loop. लूप हमारा जो है वो जब तक चलेगा जब तक i की वैल्यू लेस देन n रहती है. मीन्स सपोज n वैल्यू इज 5 एंड i लूप विल वर्क टिल 0 to 4. मीन्स 5 वेरिएबल्स को ये रन करेगा. देन x अगेन इंट एंटर द एलिमेंट्स इन द लिस्ट. कि जो भी आपको एलिमेंट डालना है उसका 1 by 1 इसमें डालेंगे और with the help of append function all the elements you have entered will be added in the list. Then we will increase the value of I by 1 to reach up to 4 in this example. Then we will come out from the while loop and print the list, that what is our list. Then maximum variable we call a max function in which input is given from the list. This is the same variable of empty list, right? Then minimum, min function. Then for mean we use two functions. First one is sum of list1. Sum of list1 is used to calculate the sum of all the elements of the list, and len function is used to find out the number of elements of the list. So the sum of all elements divided by number of all elements, it will provide us mean. After that we will print the output as maximum value is maximum, minimum value is minimum and average is mean. So this is our theoretical program. Now we will perform a practical for the same. As first of all we have declared an empty list. Then for number of elements we are using a function int input enter number of elements for the list. Then we will initialize loop variable. We will declare the loop I is less than n. Then x equals to int input for the element value. For the element value enter element for the list. Then list1 dot append x. Then we will increase the value of I by 1. After coming out from the loop we will print the list list1. Then maximum equal to max of list 1, minimum equal to min of list 1, mean equal to sum of list 1 divided by len of list 1. Then we will give the output with the help of print function. Maximum value is maximum print minimum value is minimum print average value is mean. So this is our program. Now we will run it. Enter elements for the list. 5 elements. Now elements. Suppose first element is 10. Next one is 12. Then 15, 18, 24. So these 5 are the elements I have entered. So the list is 10, 12, 15, 18 and 24. The maximum value is 24, the minimum value is 10 and the average value is 15.8. So this was our program. Good luck and all the best. Thank you.